Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an XP farm. We'll cover the essential steps to construct a highly efficient experience point generator. This farm design is known for its reliability and impressive output, helping you level up quickly. You'll learn the core principles behind its operation, ensuring you can replicate it successfully in your own game world. Get ready to boost your enchanting and repair capabilities significantly. Before we start building, let's gather the necessary materials. You'll need a stack of 64 solid blocks, such as cobblestone or stone, for the main structure. 2 water buckets and 1 lava bucket are crucial for the mob spawning mechanism. Don't forget 8 chests and 16 hoppers for item collection. Finally, grab about 20 torches to control unwanted mob spawns in surrounding areas. Having everything ready makes the build much smoother. Now let's get to building the farm. Start by constructing a large, dark spawning platform, ideally 21 blocks by 21 blocks. In the center, dig a drop shaft that is 22 blocks deep. This height ensures mobs are weakened but not killed by fall damage. Next, strategically place water streams on the platform to funnel all spawned mobs into this central shaft. Finally, at the bottom of the shaft, create a collection area with hoppers and chests. Activate your XP farm. Ensure the spawning platform is completely dark. Mobs will only spawn in light level 0. Stand between 24 and 32 blocks away from the spawning platform. This distance is optimal for mob generation. Once mobs fall, you can easily defeat them with a single hit, gaining experience points and drops. For maximum efficiency, use a sword enchanted with mending to repair it as you collect XP. Enjoy your new, powerful experience farm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.